Welcome to Top 5 Choice. The best Newton's Cradle is probably one of the most mesmerizing and satisfying desk toys you can own, a timeless classic that demonstrates the fundamental principles of physics in a visually captivating way, making it not just an object of amusement but also an educational tool that sparks curiosity about momentum and energy transfer. And it's this unique blend of scientific principle and aesthetic appeal that makes it a standout choice for anyone looking to add a touch of wonder and intellect to their workspace or home. Number 5. CERROPI Newton's Cradle Pendulum. Discover the CERROPI Newton's Cradle Pendulum, a classic desk toy that brings the laws of physics to life. Its scientific design ensures a mesmerizing swing time of over 30 seconds. Crafted with superior quality materials, including chromed metal steel bars and durable bearing steel, this pendulum is built for long-lasting enjoyment. Its exquisite craftsmanship is evident in every detail. This versatile gadget serves as a stress reliever for your office, an intuitive teaching aid for science education, and a fun toy for family activities. It's designed to inspire creativity in all ages. Presented in exquisite packaging, this pendulum makes an ideal gift for Christmas, birthdays, and other special occasions. It's a thoughtful present that combines education and entertainment. We stand by the quality of our product with a 1-year warranty and responsive customer support. Enjoy a seamless experience with our commitment to your satisfaction. For the longest swing time, ensure the balls are cleaned before use. We've included an extra ball and a cleaning cloth to help you get the most out of your Newton's Cradle. What we like. If you're looking for a classic and durable option, this one boasts a swing time of over 30 seconds and is built with superior quality materials. Its exquisite packaging also makes it a fantastic gift choice. If you appreciate craftsmanship and long-lasting performance, this is the one for you. What people say. The balls are perfectly aligned and swing smoothly, creating a satisfying visual effect. It's a great desk toy that provides a calming and mesmerizing display. The construction is solid, and the base is stable, preventing it from tipping over. Number 4. PowerTRC Newton's Cradle Balance Balls. Witness the fascinating transfer of energy and weight right before your eyes. You can choose to drop one ball or two, and observe the astounding way the forces interact. Add a touch of scientific flair to your workspace. This piece not only decorates your office but also offers a meditative and enjoyable visual experience. Experience the captivating visual of momentum in action. It's a wonderful way to share the excitement of physics and science with everyone around you. Crafted from durable stainless steel with a reflective mirror finish on the metal balls, this gadget is built with sturdy plastic for longevity. An ideal gift for adults, it's great for learning, beating boredom, and relieving stress. It creates a delightful scene wherever it's placed. What we like. For those who want a blend of educational fun and office aesthetics, this is a great pick. It clearly demonstrates gravity at work and is made from quality materials. If you want to add a touch of science and character to your workspace, consider this option. What people say. This is a classic desk toy that demonstrates the principles of conservation of momentum and energy. The polished metal balls swing smoothly and create a satisfying clicking sound as they collide. It's a great way to relieve stress and add a bit of visual interest to your workspace. Number 3. QLKUNLA Newton's Cradle Balance Balls. Witness the captivating dance of physics as gravity brings these balance balls to life. Observe how energy transfers seamlessly with each swing, a mesmerizing display of cause and effect. Infuse your office with a touch of scientific elegance. This kinetic sculpture adds character to your desk, offering a moment of calm and intellectual stimulation. Bring the wonders of momentum and energy transfer to life. It's a fantastic tool for educators and a delightful way to share the excitement of science with everyone. Experience the illusion of perpetual motion as these swinging balls demonstrate the conservation of energy. It's a perfect blend of a captivating desk accessory and an insightful teaching aid. Surprise your loved ones with a gift that's both educational and decorative. It's ideal for all ages, providing stress relief, a way to pass the time, and a beautiful addition to any desk or shelf. What we like. If you're fascinated by the concept of perpetual motion and want an educational yet classy desk accessory, this is ideal. It's also a good gift idea for both kids and adults. If you're looking for a conversation starter that also teaches physics principles, this is a strong contender. What people say. The Newton's Cradle is a classic desk toy that demonstrates the principles of conservation of momentum and energy. It features a set of swinging metal balls that strike each other in a chain reaction, creating a mesmerizing visual effect. The balls are typically made of steel and are suspended by threads from a frame, allowing them to swing freely and collide with precision. Number 2. SEVNPRIME 5 Large Beads Newton's Cradle. Elevate your workspace with this captivating desk accessory. It adds a touch of elegance and organization, creating a visually appealing centerpiece for your desk or shelf. Looking for a unique gift? This makes an excellent present for both children and adults, perfect for birthdays, holidays, or just to share a moment of fun. Experience the wonders of physics firsthand. It beautifully demonstrates the laws of conservation of momentum and energy with its precise design and extended swing time. Ideal for various settings, it serves as a great office decoration, an educational tool, or a fun family activity. It's also a wonderful choice for gifts. Observe the captivating transfer of energy and weight as the balls interact. It provides a remarkable and educational display of gravitational principles right before your eyes. It's a conversation starter and a source of endless fascination. Enjoy the rhythmic motion and the scientific principles it embodies, bringing a unique charm to any room. What we like. This option stands out with its large beads and a sophisticated black wooden base, offering a swing time of over 40 seconds. It's perfect for adding a touch of elegance to your office or home. If you prioritize a visually striking design and extended performance, this is an excellent choice. What people say. The Newton's Cradle is a classic desk toy that demonstrates the laws of physics, specifically the conservation of momentum and energy. It features polished metal balls suspended by threads within a triangular frame, creating a visually appealing and educational display. When one ball is lifted and released, it strikes the others, causing the ball on the opposite end to swing out to a similar height, showcasing the transfer of energy. Number 1. LICRAFT Newton's Cradle 7-Ball Balance Balls. Introducing our classic Newton's Cradle, now enhanced with 7 stainless steel balls for superior performance. It's perfect for your office desk or as a classroom teaching aid. Crafted from solid wood and high-quality stainless steel, this piece boasts a sturdy construction and an elegant appearance. It's designed to add sophistication and scientific intrigue to any space. This kinetic toy is ideal for stress relief, teaching physics concepts, or simply enjoying family time. Its engaging motion inspires creativity and understanding for all ages. While initial setup might involve untangling threads, a little patience will have it working smoothly in minutes. Following the thread paths ensures optimal operation. An excellent gift for science lovers, students, or teachers, it combines educational value with aesthetic appeal. It's an ideal choice for any special occasion. Enjoy peace of mind with our 1-year warranty and responsive customer service, including replacement parts if needed. Keep the balls clean for extended swing times. What we like. If you're seeking a classic Newton's Cradle with enhanced performance, this model featuring 7 stainless steel balls and solid wood construction is for you. It offers an ideal balance of durability and elegance. If you value a robust build and a straightforward setup for educational or stress relief purposes, this is a great selection. What people say. The Newton's Cradle is a classic desk toy that demonstrates the principles of conservation of momentum and energy. It features a set of swinging metal balls that strike each other in a chain reaction, producing a mesmerizing hypnotic effect. The cradle is made of durable materials and is designed to provide hours of entertainment and educational value. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.